In this level up session, Juna and I are taking real sellers' designs and we're rebuilding it to a standard that we'd actually put in our own shops. You're going to see how we actually think, how we decide what stays, what gets cut, and what actually makes a good design sell. So if this helps you even a little, please subscribe for more of this. All right, and this one is for MJ, also a member in my membership, so thank you for having the guts to submit your design here. This one says, introverted but willing to discuss wildflowers. So if you're new here, Juna and I are just going to take this. We're calling these a level up session. It's not necessarily leveling everything up because some of these designs are already good, but we're just giving you our take on what we think would sell if it was going in our own shops. Welcome, Juna. Thank you so much for joining me again.
Yeah, thanks for having me. These are fun.
Yeah, it's a nice creative outlet, and you guys get to witness our thought process as we kind of talk through it and our brainstorming and everything else. And if you're interested in doing this, you can always drop your designs or hit us up. I'll leave an email address in the comment below as well. But in my Inner Circle membership, Juna is joining me for the duration of 2026, and we're doing these every other week for the rest of the year. So we're going to have 100 sessions, give or take. And each,
that's
right?
We're going to do multiple things in each one.
Lots of fun. So let's get to it.
Of fun.
Ready with your timer there?
Oh, right. Got to get that timer going. Okay, 25 minutes. You ready?
I am.
There we go. Nice. Okay, I love this one because I can already picture that I should probably put wildflowers in it.
Yep, I need wildflowers as well. So pizza in the last one.
And guess what? Kittl has a ton of wildflowers, so
yes,
not too tough there.
We don't want
it's just the tough part's going to be what wildflowers. I like this one. If you've seen me do this before, my strategy is to go to Kittl, especially if it's like a niche that's like we can tell. And this one is wildflowers. The last one was pizza. It's got some big ones. So I just did in my templates wildflowers t-shirt, and it just pulls up literally hundreds of different ones. And so I scroll through it. I figure out like, oh, I like this design or the way that it's laid out, and then I go from there. So that's what I'm looking for, is some nice wildflowers that I think would match on a t-shirt.
And mine is kind of the same initial process. I'm just kind of typing in, I just typed wildflower shirt and just looking through some of these templates here. Same idea of some kind of inspiration.
Yeah, and I can also go, like if I don't find a template, which I think I will, but if I don't, my second option is to go into just the illustrations and graphics, because they, more likely than not, they have lots of graphics for the thing that you're wanting to do.
Yeah, so I'm just going to Command C to copy, and we're going to paste you in here.
You found something already?
An idea for one. I definitely don't like the brown background here, but let's go with black.
Ooh, I like better. This one.
So that's interesting. So I'm using this, so I could always just change the text to make it what we want here, but I want to do something a little bit cooler, I think. So
yeah, I think I went through a bunch of wildflower t-shirts. I'm gonna try see what wildflower design or graphics they have. Like
you're in the elements.
Elements, yeah. Illustrations more specifically. Yeah, there's a bunch of good ones.
Oh, there's so many. Yeah, wow.
They have so many styles. The choice really becomes, what style now do you want your t-shirt to be, right? Your t-shirt design. Is it more realistic? Is it more graphic, like hand-drawn kind of wildflowers? I'm going for like semi-realistic. Oh, they got some. I found some jars with Oh, did you find them too?
Yeah.
Those are amazing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I just scrolled down and saw those. I'm like, what? That's fantastic artwork. And you get this all with Kittl built in. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, it's pretty impressive. I want to go with logo type. No, just got to find.
Okay, one more. At some point, you got to stop looking at all the designs and then pick one. But it's like I literally could waste half an hour on just looking at all this. I think I'm going to go with this one. All right.
There's so many to pick from.
I know.
Victor's fun too. A little too simple for me. I'm gonna try one like this.
But you got the jars?
I'm probably gonna use the jars, but I'm gonna try with this one style.
Oh, the other one
too, to see what happens here. Make it say
nice.
If I could spell, so we'll do those. You guys up here, and
That's
Get rid of
bigger.
this, and I'm just going to go with Nano Banana or ChatGPT HD. So this is cute. It didn't get the words right.
All right.
So if I go into style here, I could probably do this, and then I can probably switch it to, because these have typos. And I know ChatGPT is getting pretty good at doing the type as well. Use this, and I can save this design style as an AI style. So I'm just going to do that.
Oh, cool.
Right click on the image, and you can save any image you want as a style. So now you can go into styles, and you can see your styles, and it'll show that here. Very nice and easy that way, right? Click on this, describe what I want to see. So this worked out great. Introverted but willing to discuss wildflowers. This actually, I'm going to try this first. Remix image.
I can crop.
So I've just now said make it more watercolor, softer palette.
Yeah.
And then make the flowers wildflowers. And we'll see what happens off of this one. So it's taking that image now, doing that. Don't like that one, a little too rigid, and I had a typo. But now I can go back to here. This was my generate image in this style.
Oh, I know what this is. This is centered. There we go.
This nailed it. These both nailed it.
Wow.
Look at this.
That's amazing.
Introverted but willing to discuss wildflowers. It totally took what I needed here, and it said this one and then this one. Make it more watercolor, softer palette, make the flowers wildflowers. This looks awesome, and it's all wildflowers. And then this is a second version of that. So these are really cool. I'm loving this. It's great. Those are cool. And they will probably also look good on a white background if we're lucky. Maybe this one. Interesting. Cute idea. That could work. Yeah. Let's remix this and make you...
And run with some fonts. See what works.
Let's try this. Make it slightly darker with higher contrast. I want it to look a little more like this kind of stuff here.
I think this is so tight. What? Oh, no wonder it's negative 80. There you go.
So right away, I got two here that turned out great. I think those are going to look good. But I feel like wildflowers are hard to do sometimes, right?
It is, yeah. It's beautiful, but it's wild.
Yeah, that it is. That looks great. See if I can remove the background here without ruining anything. That worked out great.
Oh, wow. You got lucky, man.
It'll just keep getting better and better. And it took 2 seconds. Yeah, so having it do higher contrast made it make sense.
Oh, good.
How are we doing for time?
We got 11 minutes, man.
Oh, we are
still cooking. Good. Golden. Yeah. Whoa. What did I do? Oh, man, something happened. Oh, something got deleted. Uh-oh. That's okay. I can find it again. It was just part of go back to my template. So I'm going to do wildflower again. T-shirt. No worries. Got this.
I also, MJ, really like this design. So I would try this as text only that you have. Definitely try it.
Yeah, why not? That's the power of POD, man.
Yeah, it'll look good on a black shirt.
Is you don't get penalized to adding more designs.
I can tell MJ you've been paying attention. Like, it's well executed. You've got introverted and wildflowers, which are the two biggest points on that. And then, but willing to discuss is kind of like, it's introverted first. You got the right hierarchy, but willing to discuss, and then wildflowers has the punch. So it's well executed. It's a really well put together design. So good job. And I'm going over here and doing something a little different. So introverted. What kind of font? We have at least 5 minutes, I hope.
Oh yeah, 10 minutes.
Really? Still? Okay. How did I only lose a minute and a half? It felt like it was forever.
You're working in like super speed or something.
Yeah, I guess so.
Wow. I'm looking at what you're doing over there.
Yeah, try to do something a little different. Is there a watercolor style font?
Oh, that's a good question. I don't know. I wouldn't doubt it though.
I just had to pause there for a quick second because my lovely wife phoned me from the shop where we have our pirate themed merch shop on the beach down here. And some prints we ordered from the States were misprinted, and I don't even know how they passed the quality control. Like, the literal print was cut off halfway through and times 35 of them. So not a cheap experience. And also it's part of the trials and tribulations here, because it takes 3.5 to 4 weeks for us to get stuff from the States where we were ordering our DTF transfers. So now I found a guy on the mainland that will get them done for me in 4 days. So at least we can, send them the art and business his way. But that's frustrating. So before we found this guy, we would have to wait. Like, I still just got stuff because they misprinted before also in November. Yikes. And I only got it in January.
Yikes.
Yeah, hard to run a business, right? When you can't depend on...
Yeah, hopefully through all the things that you're doing, you'll find someone that's really good that you can work with, and then you're golden after that.
Yeah,
But it sucks to have to go through it.
for sure. But that's okay. You live and you learn. And I'll show you guys too, actually. I could show you with the gang sheets here, just because
Oh,
it's
cool.
really interesting. And I think we're okay for time, right?
We are, yeah. Especially, we got 5 minutes.
Okay.
So if you're already done, we
Pretty
definitely have
close.
time.
I can outline text, so it makes it all editable now. And then I can just take this. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Double click again, and then I can kind of grab these dots and move them up a bit so that it's not
Oh, nice.
hanging down as far as this one went.
That's so cool that you play with the fonts or the text. That's what
These
makes it
guys.
unique, or one way to make it unique at least.
Now, these guys, I can move you over here. I can delete that one, make it all kind of flow. If you just double click on these, it automatically curves. So if you have something that is a little wonky, or isn't working exactly how you want it to, like this is definitely not working how I want it to, so I'm just going to go instead of this.
That's funny. And around with some colors here.
And anywhere on the line here, I could just double click and it'll create a new one, which is nice. So I can just create a couple of, and move you a little closer. So the R's look a little different. So it doesn't look like, a font. It almost looks more real and painted now. And
Yeah,
I'm just going
that looks
to
cool.
make you like this. And then I need to reduce the space in between here in a big way. I think we're just going to go all on one line here.
Oh, yeah. Fun. What do we got? 19 seconds.
Uh-oh.
The 25 minutes is just a suggestion.
Yeah.
It's not a hard stop. Just trying to keep us.
Yeah, from going way too far and too long.
Yeah.
Right?
There it is.
All right. I'm just going to
25 minutes.
Transformation, distort here. I'm going to bring you down a bit to match.
Let's see what you got. Ooh, check it out.
I think this guy needs.
Oh, nice. I like how you put someone with with those flowers. That's cool.
Just so it's not so perfect.
Yeah.
Wonky here, let's leave it white, and then I'll add a border. Just do that so that the shirt color will show through where it overlaps here. And that is outline width 20. So I don't know if you guys can see that, if in case my head is blocking it down here, but I just moved this over now. So you should see offset 8, angle 104, outline width 20. It defaults to 8, negative 104, but I just changed this. So you can see, there we go. You can see as I drag this, the outline around flower. So I'm just gonna make it actually, I guess 30 looks good. I'm just going to do the same on this guy. So text shadow, the third one over, make you white again. And then our outline width, even 20 looks good, but we don't want the offset here, the angle. So the angle there, no offset. So now we've just got that. I think it needs to be a little wider. So now we'll go maybe to our.
I'm just playing around with colors.
All right. Super cute here. We'll group you. So we have you there. We'll zoom out here. And I know you said time was done. But
yeah,
so we are good here. I'm good with this one, and we also have these two that we will definitely add to your files. So I'm done. Is Juna done?
I'm kind of done. Yeah.
Okay.
I just need to play with some color here.
Okay.
One sec.
No problem. These are cute. These all work. I like this first one on the top left here.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I like that one too.
I like the font choice too. Yeah.
I think this is.
Cats are smart. I like how you went kind of country vibe here too. That makes sense.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I agree. I think the wildflower on the black for mine probably is the strongest one.
Yeah, I think that's my favorite there.
Yeah, but I like how you got these two to kind of work together. Wow.
Yeah, that's why cool. Initially it was really washed out, and I wanted it higher contrast, on this girl here, so it looks more like the stuff in the background here.
Yeah.
I think it looks cute. That looks cool. I've never seen anything like it before.
Me too. That's very original. That's what makes it stand out. And this whole word thing with the wildflowers, wow.
I like these too. Yeah, it still looks awesome, and it'll look great on black.
Yeah, save it, ship it.
Both of these look cool too. Totally different vibes than this one. This one's much softer. And then you got a few here to choose from Juna. So
yeah,
congrats. Like, tell me this isn't solid value, right? Like, you're getting how many designs now? Wow. And the best part about hers is that she's got a wildflower Shopify store. So she's going to be she actually has a wildflower farm in up in Canada. Yeah, and
wow.
So to complement the farm and the sales and everything they do there, she's also added POD garments and stuff. So
nice. Yeah, and feel free to change the words on these too and make them work for your shop. And
yep. So I even think the cat one's cute because there's always barn cats and stuff, right? Yeah, I got lots to choose from here. So again, if you guys want to check out Kittl, I'll leave a link in the description, and I have a coupon code for Jay'sWayYT. It'll get you 25% off your first month or your first entire year if you did go Kittl Pro. And also, if you wanted to get some of this done on a regular basis, Juna and I, again, are doing this twice, every other week, actually, inside my membership.
Yeah,
so
that's right.
This has been a fun warm-up, and we're going to get to it tomorrow inside the membership. So thank you once again, Juna, for doing this. Always appreciate your time, buddy.
Of course. This is fun. Thanks for inviting me to your channel.
See you guys in the next one.
Bye.